Hello! The aim of today's video is to help you show an interest in shapes in the environment around you and begin to use the correct name for shapes.
Hello, I've been on a rectangle hunt around my house, a shape hunt, to see if I can find some things that look like this shape. This shape that we call an oblong or a rectangle. It needs to have two long sides and two short sides. It can be that way round or that way round. It's still called an oblong or a rectangle. So, shall we see what I found? I found a box that had some toothpaste in. My box has got a rectangle shape on the front, two long sides, two short sides, the same shape on the back and the same shape on the sides. They are rectangle shapes. We might see it that way round or that way round. I wonder if you've got a box in your house that you can find. You might want to pause the video while you go and find a box that's a rectangle shape, or you can go on a rectangle hunt after you've seen this video. So, the next thing I found was a placemat. This placemat is something I put on the table to put my plate on so it doesn't damage the table. Two long sides, two short sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. That is my rectangle. What else did I find? I found my pencil case. That's got all my pens and pencils in. You might have seen this at school. Now my pencil case has a rectangle shape on the back and on the front. It's also got a pattern of triangles on the front, can you see? It's got two long sides and two short sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, a rectangle shape. What else did I find? You might want to pause the video while you go and find a pencil case and a placemat, or maybe you'd like to do it afterwards. I found an envelope that you put a letter inside or a piece of paper. Can you see that my envelope is the same shape as my oblong shape, whichever way I turn it round? You might be able to find an envelope in your house. Might need to ask an adult for one. I also found a book. Now all the covers, the back cover and the front cover, and all the pages in this book are a rectangle shape. Two short sides, two long sides, and 4 corners. The spine of the book is also a rectangle shape. I'm sure you could find a book in your house that's a rectangle shape. I found a shopping card. You will need to ask an adult if they've got a shopping card that you could borrow, maybe an old one. That is a rectangle shape, an oblong shape. Can you see that they are the same shape? Well done. What else did I find on my shape hunt? I found a ruler used for measuring or drawing straight lines. It's a very long rectangle. It's got two very long edges and two very short edges. A rectangle shape. What else did I find? Let's have a look. I found a telephone. A telephone or a remote control can be a rectangle shape. We can have it that way round or that way round. You count the corners on your telephone or remote control. See if there's 4. You can also count the sides. If there's 4 with 2 long ones and 2 short ones, then it's a rectangle. See if you can find a remote control or a telephone in your house. That's a rectangle shape. Right, what did I find next? A piece of paper, just any piece of paper. Quite often paper is a rectangle shape. I folded this one in half. If I open it up, you can see I've made 2 rectangles. It's got long sides and short sides and 4 pointy corners. It looks like my oblong. Well done. What else did I find? I found a photo frame. A big photo frame. You might be able to see that it's got a rectangle in the middle and a rectangle around the outside. I can have my picture that way round or that way round. It's still an oblong. One more thing I found that I was able to pick up and show you was a towel. Can you see my towel? I can hold it that way. I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to fold it in half and then we can fit it on better. There you go. So I've got a rectangular shaped towel, 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Your challenge today is to go on a rectangle hunt around your house. See if you can find some things that have a rectangle shape on them. You can draw a picture of some things that are a rectangle or oblong shape, or you can get an adult to take a photograph and pop it on our WhatsApp group or email. Don't forget to pop your drawings in our postbox on the school drive. Have fun on your shape hunt. Bye.
Here are some shapes I found outside. Bricks on the pathway. A letterbox. A rectangle pattern on a front door. Some rectangular bricks on the pathway. Bricks in a wall. After watching the video and going on a shape hunt, can you use the correct name for the shapes you have found? Can you look at shapes in and around your environment? Here are the different ways in which you can share your work with us at school.